Hi, I'm Dr. Mrinalini Sharma. I'm a plastic and cosmetic surgeon practicing in Esteva Cosmetic Clinic, Sake. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about labiaplasty, which is a procedure which most women want but don't really know about. So first, let's discuss what this procedure is all about. Labiaplasty is a procedure which involves restructuring or reshaping the labia minora, which are the inner lips of your labia. Now, this can be done for functional and cosmetic purposes. So, हम इसको functional purposes के लिए कब करते हैं? This is done when the labia are unduly enlarged, जिसकी वजह से the patient is finding it difficult to wear clothes. There's excessive friction, chaffing हो रही है, and the person is not able to wear, say, something like a tight jeggings and feels uncomfortable in these clothings. The second purpose is cosmetic. Cosmetic is again when the unsightly appearance, the enlarged labia, and also the color, the discoloration is affecting the person psychologically, and the person wants to get it done to look better. So these are the two indications of doing a labiaplasty. Now let's talk about in whom is it done. Labiaplasty most often is done in women after pregnancy and childbirth. तो होता क्या है कि प्रेगनेंसी में हार्मोनल चेंजेस की वजह से द लेबिया गेट एनलार्ज्ड, उनका साइज बड़ा हो जाता है. ऑल्सो देयर इज अ डिस्कलरेशन. सो दिस बॉदर्स मोस्ट विमेन एंड दे ऑप्ट फॉर labiaplasty later on after the childbirth and lactation are over. The second category is of people, young girls who have enlarged labia from the time of puberty. ये rare है, but again many young girls do seek this procedure. So these are the two categories: young girls who have had these changes since puberty, and older women who have encountered these changes once they had their pregnancy. So both conditions are treated in the same manner. This is a procedure which is performed mostly under some kind of short duration anesthesia. इसके local anesthesia may be किया जा सकता है, but usually the patients are comfortable under some kind of short GA, that is a small procedure under anesthesia. It doesn't take long. It takes about say 1 or 2 hours maximum, and it's a day care procedure. So आप आते हैं, ये procedure करवाते हैं, and अपने घर लौट जाते हैं. Again, this does not involve a hospital stay, or it does not involve a long time off work. So this is a procedure which you can conveniently plan and take just say about 2 to 3 days off your work, and you can plan this procedure. So करते क्या हम इस procedure में? In this procedure, what we do is we tend to trim the labia. So labia का हम size छोटा करते हैं. There are various techniques of doing this. Technicalities, I will not be really entering into the technicalities. But the aim is to preserve a normal looking labia after removing the excess tissue. So the surgeon will discuss कि इसकी कौन सी techniques होती हैं, आप इसको कैसे कर सकते हैं. Now let's come to the recovery. The only thing which I counsel my patients when they ask about a labiaplasty is that area, the labia tends to swell a lot. So initial 2-3 days में swelling रहती है. I always counsel my patients repeatedly कि उससे घबराना नहीं है. This is a normal part of the healing. It's not really painful, and it can be easily managed with oral pain medications. Then the second thing is hygiene, which has to be maintained in this area, as you can understand that this is not the area where we can do dressings. So this area is left open, and we advise you to keep the area clean and not be scared of washing that area, say using a betadine wash or a SIDS bath as we recommend. Well, some details we'll be telling you later. And to keep this area clean starting from first 24 hours after surgery. There are no major restrictions in your day-to-day activities. You can resume office, say, even on the next day if you're comfortable. The only restriction is from exercises and heavy weights for about 4 to 6 weeks. And obviously, physical intimacy also has to be abstained from during this period. Otherwise, overall, it's a very comfortable procedure, and you will not really find yourself restricted to your home or not being able to attend work because of undergoing a labiaplasty. Coming to the results are permanent, and once the swelling subsides, you can probably see the result you desire in about 3 weeks to a month or so. As I again want to reiterate, this is an area जहाँ swelling होती है, so please be patient. It takes about 3 weeks to 1 month for the results to start to show. Now, there's certain precautions which we need to take when we're doing a labiaplasty. एक तो ये है कि many patients come and tell me कि doctor, we want all the black skin removed. Now that is technically very easy, but not recommended at all. Why? Because a certain amount of the labia have to be left for reasons of hygiene, for reasons of comfort during physical intimacy. If you were to amputate the entire labia, you can end up having a painful intercourse. Also, there are certain areas which have to be dealt with caution, like the clitoral hood. That has to be dealt with very carefully because that area is rich in nerves, and your plastic surgeon will guide you as to how to tackle clitoral hooding if you want that also to be addressed. Sensations, again, are a concern among many patients. Sensations might be temporarily numbed, but then they're always intact and they recover soon. So nothing to worry as far as sensations in that area are concerned. So in a nutshell, labiaplasty is a very short and sweet procedure and gives the desired results in all patients. If you have any further queries, it's better to sit with the plastic surgeon, discuss your desires and chalk out a plan which suits you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any further questions regarding labiaplasty, please drop them in the comment section below.